whether my neck is as flexible as the governor's neck. Asante sana. Thank you. You can be seated. First of all, let me just salute Narok. Narok hoye! Narok hoye! Asante sana. Honorable Alice Ohome, the Cabinet Secretary for Water and Irrigation. His Excellency Governor Patrick Olentutu, Governor of Narok, the County Commissioner, honorable members of the Narok County Assembly, members from the water sector nationally, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Water and sanitation are the core of the sustainable development. Sorry. The wind is just pushing me a little bit. Let me start again. I am delighted to be part of the 12th edition of Water Companies Sports Association WASCO Games, hosted by Narok Water and Sewerage Company Limited, in partnership with the county government of Narok. The wellness of the organization depends on the well-being of its employees, which is very important in any workplace. I want to thank WASCO for providing such a unique platform for the workforce in the water and sanitation sector to explore and exploit their sporting talents, even as they benchmark and learn from one another. Sports also promotes cohesion and team spirit among the water and sanitation sector employees, which is in line with the overall objective of WASCO Games. Water and sanitation are at the core of sustainable development